So today I'll be breaking down how to use our text designs. So we've put these together to simplify the process to get cool layouts when it comes to your text. So in order to access the text designs, open the editor by clicking on the play button. So we've edited our clip. So if you go to text in the footer, you see that we've added a few new tools, and also you get a glimpse of what we're working on for text designs. So right now we have 5 main categories, and each category has plenty of options to play with. If you have any suggestions or any designs that you'd like to see, just let us know either through the settings panel in the app or leave a comment below. So yeah, we have various options, whether you're training, you're making a vlog, or you're making a meal prepping video. So for example, if you're editing a video and you want to show your macros, we have this cool macro layout, which is fully customizable to meet your brand colors, which is super cool. So when it comes to the color customization, you can either customize the fill layer or the outline color. So fill color and outline color. You can also add your own hex code, which is the color code if you want a custom color palette, or you can go ahead and add your own /save colors. So you can save colors by clicking the plus button. As you can see, my brand color is already on there. So in order to access that, you have to go to sliders and then hex code. Or if you want a simple color, just use the color grid. Just to recap, to access the text designs, we click on the text layer and then you scroll to the bottom, and then you can scroll across to access more options. Guys, if you want to export, choose your export settings and you are good to go. So now that the text is complete, we can still use the video and make changes through our library. Or what we can do is continue editing or replace the footage that we want. Guys, any questions, let us know below.